Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share. I hope that you will join me. Let's start with these. These are solar or stake lights. So it comes like this when you go looking for it at your Dollar Tree. So like a barrel, right? So you get the solar panel up at the top there. See there? And then the stake goes in here. It's housing in there. So you just pull that out and reinsert it this way. And then of course you have to pull the top cap off and pull that battery saver there. And this goes back on there. So if should you decide to take both of them off, to reassemble it, the bottom of the stake goes here. You see how much wider that is right there? That I don't know what you call that, casing, but that slides back in here. And then the top part where the light goes is a much shorter stem, see? So that goes back in here like that. So this is what it is. And yeah, I pulled the safety thing off already. So it is an LED light. Look at that. It's quite bright. I like it. I'm going to go test it tonight once it gets dark out and see how well it works. So the barrel itself is what, about 6 inches in length, and it is about 2 1/4 across, right here, all the way across. So, but look at that, I like it. I picked out 3. I want to test it out, and then I might do a little DIY with it. We'll see. Besides those lights, look what else I found. I found this. It's a photo frame, but it hangs. Look. It doesn't have a stand. You know, normally we see it standing. This is just like a hanging piece of frame. Nice, right? So when you buy yours, kind of pay attention to where your frame falls. You see how mine is kind of wonky looking? It's way over to the left, and then I got all that space there. But I do have an idea in mind, so it's just fine the way it is. I think if you want, you can probably bend it back this way. I don't know. But I would just look through the whole stack they have and pick out the best one. Now, I saw this in, I want to say gold, so it's available in gold. They also have the, I believe, a hexagon one available also. So, and it holds a 4x4 picture. So I do have an idea on mine, that's why I picked that up. And they only had one of these black ones in. So I'm on the watch out to find a couple more. Okay, besides that, I also found this, look. It's a cute little plate. What it is an incense holder. And it does say right here, incense holder. I was thinking that, you know, sometimes when I'm like crafting and I need to like, you know, stake something down just so it can dry, I can take a skewer and just tuck that in there, put my piece on here, and just wait for it to dry. It doesn't have to be used for incense. So here, it'll hold. So I thought this was a really good idea. I like the pattern on here. It's floral with some cute butterflies. And this comes in different colors too. So if you find it at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and take a look. And you'll find this in the candle aisle. Let me show you this too. I found these Guard big pins. So a while back, right, all the stores were starting to carry these antibacterial pins. It comes with an antimicrobial agent, and it's incorporated into the plastic that protects the pin itself by suppressing growth of bacteria, algae, fungus, and mildew. So it's a number 1 or 1.0 blue ink pen. It's a ball pen. So as I was saying, a while back they had the black ink, so I was able to pick up the black ink. This time I found the blue ink, so I was able to pick up 3. So I'm quite happy I found these. So this is one of those things I will just, keep on the table in case I need to sign some papers, or, when strangers come and say, here, sign for this check, I will break that pin out. I also needed another one of these. This is a USB to Type-C adapter. See, it's a tiny little piece. And then you got see right there, the Type-C adapter. These are really handy to have. I like these. Very, very handy. So I have bought some before, and I bought the color black. So it comes in black, blue, and red. This time I decided to pick up a red one. Just picked up the one. And then I picked up some tools. So I bought this from one store. They only had the chunky one. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll just pick up another chunky one so I can put the one I have back in the toolbox. And I will have one in my craft room. So, and it comes with a little level too. So it's, a helping gadget. And then I went to another store and found this one. See, it's another short screwdriver, but the little barrel, the handles are much skinnier. They're less chunky. Look. And then added helpful tools. So I'm mainly after the little ones, but I got the 2 additional ones. So you get 4 screwdrivers for $1.25. Isn't that great? And then this one's the 3-piece set. I like those. I'm quite happy I found the little skinny ones. And then I want to show you these. These are new to my store. They are puffy stickers, but look at this. Isn't this great? You got a single book, you got a stack of books, and you got books on the shelf type of thing, standing books down here. Isn't that adorable? And then you got a stopwatch. I'm guessing this is more books, like a journal type maybe. Interesting looking stack. And then a temperature gauge down here. I don't know how this works in with the books, but anyways. So I picked up 4 of these because I really want to use the books, and then I'll eventually use all these, the watch and the temperature gauge. So yeah, this one comes with 6 pieces. And then I also found this one. So this one is 7 pieces, and look at this. I'm guessing it's a window. Look. Isn't that neat? And then here's another one. And then here's another one. Look at this. I like the architectural design on these windows. And then you get a mailbox and a letter box. And then you get keys and a knocker and the lock itself. Or the doorknob thing. You know what I mean? I love these. They're really nice. So I got 4 of those. And then look at this one. This one's 9 pieces. And they are of like a fencing type of thing. I think that's what this is used for. Like, on the banister. You usually see all these cute little, like a fencing kind of thing running along the borders. And then this one here is like you use on a step. Can you see there? Nice. And then a corner piece. Here's another one with a column that you'll see outside on the steps. and then a round emblem, and then a cornice. Look at that one. And a pillar. 9 pieces. I mean, I love the way they look. They're so adorable. And then this one is actually a repurchase for me. I have bought one before and I've been on the watch out to find more. And I was able to find some more, so I picked up 2 of these. These are also puffy stickers. You get 11 pieces. And it's of the parrot or the toucan, pineapple, palm leaves. Oh, so cute. I love these. It says I get 11 pieces, but the good thing about these is that they still tend up to come apart. See there? So now you have more pieces to work with, right? Isn't that adorable? I love the way all these puffy stickers look. They're so cute. And then the last of the puffy stickers I picked up is this one. This is also a repurchase for me. I have found one, and again, I've been on the watch out, and I found one more. So cute. I love this. And then again, this is 14 stickers, but you can make it more by taking out the key. You can take out the clock. I believe this key down here comes out too, but I like it. And the turn key also comes out. It's so cute. And then you can use the border too. I love the borders. They put a lot of designs in there. I love them. Look at that. They're just so pretty. I hope that you find these at your store. Look at this. So cute. And these here I have to show you on white paper. Hopefully it'll show a little better. I found, look, Halloween at Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to all the Halloween items. Okay, maybe not. I'll just use the reflection. Look at this. It's a skeleton. He's playing with the bats. Can you tell? And then you got the skeleton on all 4 sides. Oh, because before, right, when we bought these, if you'll remember, they were battery operated. And look at this. It's a solar light. I'm so happy. Solar Halloween lights. Adorable. I love to make arrangements for the front doorway, and I can just tuck this right in there. It'll be beautiful. So I found this one, the skeleton one, and then I also found this one. This is the 2 jack-o'-lanterns with the spider web. Look at this. All the way around. Oh. I gotta make sure the light reflects on there. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I like it. I'm quite happy with these. I'm glad I found these. So if you see it, grab them now, because I don't know if they'll last. I mean, look, it's solar. You don't have to worry about putting batteries in there. I love them. I'm quite happy to see Halloween at Dollar Tree. Well, I am quite happy I found my Halloween lights, solar lights at that, for $1.25. And I hope that you find these stickers at your store too when you go visit your Dollar Tree. Look at this. Just so adorable. And then, of course, my solar light, which I will test outside once it gets dark. And then my new adapter. Happy to have that. And my antibacterial pens in blue ink. I'm quite happy with that. And I hope that you find this like hanging sign or hanging photo frame. And I will be on the watch out to see if I can find some more black ones. I like those. I have some DIY ideas in mind with those. And I hope that I find more. But I'm quite happy I found my tiny screwdrivers. So if you need screwdrivers, you know, the tiny ones, Dollar Tree is the place to go for those. I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.